Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make Neymar Trend rate edit on Capcut. So once this,
Olá 433, com Neymar e esse é o Rate This Kid.
I'm going to teach you this whole edit step by step, so watch till end. And before starting, don't remember to subscribe my Telegram channel, because I put every clips and files for make this edit. Okay, let's go. After open CapCut and add Neymar clip, choose a desired clip, and for example I want add Cristiano Ronaldo clip. And put it under the Neymar React. This is so easy guys, so I don't say anything, just put it under the Neymar React and yeah.
Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Now specify the beat.
As you fade away.
Now freeze the last part of clips or make something like stop. Now add a white screen for make a line within two videos or make something cool.
You're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Now add this overlay because it's so good for make your videos better, because normal cut is so bad. Now add this emoji. You can download it from my Telegram channel. Now for get better result, we want to add some shakes and some movements for make our clip better. So just do what I do.
try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side,
Now make an adjust and do what I do.
Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
And this is the result, guys. I hope this video can help you, and thanks for watching, guys. See you later.